Hello everyone. In this tutorial today we are going to continue talking about HTML elements. HTML elements with the nested HTML element with the line breaks elements. So quickly let's get started. HTML elements. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. HTML elements. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Can you see? This is start tag. This is the end tag. The content goes here. So everything here is HTML element. Examples of some HTML elements: HTML1, H1, P tag, and BR tag. As you can see, H1 is having opening tag and the closing tag. P is having opening tag and closing tag with some content inside, but BR tag is not having the close tag and non-content inside the BR tag. This is called line break tag with non-content. It's used to jump a line, like you want to give a white space. Here, after writing this content, you want to break a line, you want to jump one gap. That's when you put BR. I hope you can understand very well. We will give an example as we are continuing. Some HTML elements have no content like the BR elements. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Nested elements. So what is HTML nested elements? HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. The following example contains 4 HTML elements: HTML opening tag, body, H1, and P tag. Example: the doc type HTML element, as you can see, opening tag with the close tag, opening tag body with the close tag, opening tag H1, opening tag closing tag H1, opening tag B, closing tag B with some content inside the H1 and P tag. These are called nested because this H1 and P tag, they are the child of body tag. They are inside body tag. H1 HTML element contains both body tag and body tag with H1 and P tag. Quickly, let me give a quick example. Go to your Visual Studio Code. In our format document, we can quickly write this: H1 inside the body tag. Clear this. I hope you know how we generated the code easily for us. If you don't know how we generated the code quickly like this, you can check the former video. We explain it clearly there. So this is HTML doc type element, and this is HTML element closing tag. This is HTML body tag with closing tag, and this is H1 tag. Let's write something in here. Hello everyone. Save this and come to your browser. Reload this. Can you see? Hello everyone is showing from here. This is HTML nested elements. These are all what you need to know about nested things. Nested, when they say nested, something inside something. HTML, body is inside it. Body, H1 is inside it. This is nested. Quickly, back to the document. The HTML element is the root element and it defines the whole HTML document. This defines the whole HTML document. It has a start tag HTML and ends with HTML end tag. Inside the HTML element, there is a body tag, which is this. Inside this, there is this. The body. So the body element defines the document's body, which is this. Inside the body, we have H1 and P tag. It has a start tag and the end tag. Then inside the body element, there are two other elements, H1 and P tag. Can you see this? If you copy this and go to our document, put these two elements here, save the document, let's reload it and see what will happen. Can you see? My first heading is here, my first paragraph is here. These are inside body tag and the body tag is inside HTML tag. Go back to the document quickly. Never skip the end tag, because some HTML elements will display correctly even if you forget the end tag, while some will never forgive you for it. Like this, if you write it in this manner, some will accept, some may not accept. Let's copy this whole code and check how it works here. Save it and go back to our document. I'm doing this so you can see everything should be fast. This is a paragraph and this is a paragraph. As you can see, it works here without the closing tag. Without this, it works. Let's save this again and see how it will look again and reload it. As you can see, it still works the same. So that's why you have to test everything you are using before you use it. Make sure you are doing some great testing about this. However, never rely on this. Unexpected results and error may occur if you forget the end tag. So, an empty HTML element. The HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. The BR tag defines a line break and is an empty element without a closing tag. For example, if you write BR here and save the document and let's go to the document, you will see there will be another space here, another gap here. Wow, nothing, because we have already given it. The reason why this does not work is because we don't have close tag here. Let's put P closing tag. As you can see, this is the reason why you have to test whatever you use before you use it. That's why I said some may not forgive you for this. Now let's reload it. Can you see? It works now. That's part of the reason why you should put your closing tag every time in the element that needs it. I think you understand the point. HTML element is not case sensitive. That is, HTML tags are not case sensitive means it may have a capital letter and it may have small letter. but it's recommended that you should use small letter. Like you want to write P for paragraph, you should write it in small letter instead of capital letters. These are HTML tags and so on. I hope you can get the point today. In the next tutorial, we are going to continue discussing about HTML elements that is very powerful. We are getting there gradually. This is the basics. So from the basic, we'll move to the advanced level. I think I'm done for today. My name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. Once again, have a nice day.